Well, hello again, geologist and paleontologist. Sadly, we're coming to the conclusion of our lessons about the history of Earth. I hope you've had fun exploring our amazing planet with Jerry the geologist and Pam the paleontologist. Before we end our unit, let's revisit some of the amazing places and facts that we've discovered. During the past few weeks, we've traveled all over the globe. We've seen the amazing igneous rock Half Dome at Yosemite National Park. We've explored the beautiful sandstone at Antelope Canyon in California. We've even ventured across the Pacific to check out Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. In fact, we've been so many places it's hard to remember them all. We started out in the Grand Canyon, thinking about how rivers and erosion can create amazing landforms on the planet Earth. We've been underground in caves in places like Carlsbad Caverns. We've learned about volcanoes that have erupted right here in the United States, like Mount St. Helens. We've seen the beauty and power of geysers in places like Yellowstone, where Old Faithful entertains visitors daily as it erupts almost every 90 minutes. We've seen beautiful rock formations in Bryce Canyon. Even traveled to Australia to see Ayers Rock, also known as Uluru Rock. And of course, don't forget our trip to Dinosaur National Monument to explore fossils. As we've learned about all of these amazing places on the surface of the Earth, we learned that often we need to know about what's inside the Earth to understand why these beautiful places exist. While we live on the crust, and all of the places that we've explored are found on the crust, we have to think about the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core, and the constant forces of heat, pressure, and time to understand why our Earth looks like it does. We know that heat, pressure, and time are always at work, creating not just magnificent landforms, but also shaping the minerals and rocks that we find on the Earth's surface and in the crust. We now know that there are hundreds of minerals, and that minerals are the building blocks of the three types of rocks: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Of course, rocks and minerals aren't the only things we can find inside the Earth. When paleontologists search for fossils, paleontologists search the layers of the Earth's crust, looking for clues about past life on Earth. The Earth's many layers also hold clues about plants and animals that lived on the Earth long ago, including one of our favorites, the dinosaurs. Even though dinosaurs no longer roam the Earth, we're lucky that geologists and paleontologists can use dinosaur fossils to help us learn about these incredible creatures. Well, that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the history of the Earth with Jerry the geologist and Pam the paleontologist. I'd love to hear more about your favorite parts of the Earth's history.